Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a multi-language store on Shopify. As you can see right here, I can quickly change the language. And with this settings that I'm about to show you, you'll be able to do this for completely free. As you can see right here, you can see there the language has been changed to French. First, all you'll need to do is go into your Shopify admin dashboard. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Apps in the bottom left hand corner. And then you want to tap on Recommended Apps. After you have tapped on Recommended Apps, you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. And once that loads up, just give it a few seconds. In the search bar right here, right where you see search apps, you're going to type in language translator. And then the app that I want you to download, let's find it real quick. You're going to scroll down and you're going to download Uplinky Language Translator, this app right here. After you have installed the app, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can quickly edit it. And again, you'll simply select the free plan. And the thing about the free plan and why I love this app, as you can see right here, if I were to tap on upgrade to pro, with the basic free plan, you'll be able to use unlimited visitors, mobile and desktop response, enable up to 10 languages and unlimited support. And you can upgrade it in the future if you want. Anyways, to set it up is quite easy. Once in settings, you can select the pop-up style. As you can see right here, you can select if you would like it to be an auto pop-up, so you can toggle that on. And you can also toggle on auto detect preferred language. And as you can see in the right hand column right here, you can select the floating position. I prefer in the top right hand corner. And you can also scroll down and you can select the language prompt. You can select the language order. Once you are finished, you'll simply tap on save. And that's it. That's how to set up a multi-language store on Shopify. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.